What if I told you there's a smarter, cleaner way to grow your contact list and it doesn't involve spamming strangers or buying fake numbers? Today, I'm going to walk you through a platform called ViewsBooster, a contact gain website designed to help you collect real contacts from real people who are actually interested in what you offer. Whether you're running a business, promoting a service, or just building your network, ViewsBooster makes the whole process incredibly simple. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use every single feature on this platform. So sit tight, let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, go ahead and visit the website at viewsbooster.com/ng. Once the page loads, you'll land on the homepage, and I want you to take a moment to just scroll through it. Don't rush past it. The homepage actually gives you a solid overview of everything ViewsBooster is about. You can see what the platform offers, how it works, and why it's built for people like you who want real results. Now here's something cool. You don't have to access ViewsBooster through your browser every single time. You can actually install it as an app directly on your device. Whether you're on Android, iOS, or even a desktop computer, there should be a prompt or an install button that lets you add it to your home screen just like a regular app. Once it's installed, launching it becomes super fast and convenient. I'd recommend doing that right now, so you always have it just a tap away. Once you've had a look at the homepage, the next step is to create your account. Look for the Get Started button, click on it, and it'll take you straight to the registration page. And the best part? It's completely free to sign up. No credit card, no hidden fees, just fill in your details and you're good to go. On the registration form, you'll need to enter a few things. Your username, pick something memorable. Your email address, make sure it's one you actually have access to because you might need it later. Your country of residence, and your phone number. And here's a tip, use your WhatsApp number if you have one, because that'll make things much smoother down the line. Then you'll create a password, confirm it, and once all those fields are filled in correctly, you hit the register button. If everything checks out, you'll get a confirmation that your account has been created. Simple, clean, done. Now that your account is set up, go back to the login page, enter the email and password you just registered with, and sign in. Straightforward, no complications. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard, which is your control center for everything on ViewsBooster. Take a good look at this interface. This is your logged in homepage, and you'll notice there are several menu options laid out here, each one serving a specific purpose. Over the next few minutes, we're going to go through every single one of them so that by the time we're done, nothing on this dashboard is a mystery to you. Let's start with the most important feature, creating a VCF session. This is the core of what ViewsBooster does. Click on the option to create a session, and you'll be taken to a form with several fields to fill in. Let me break each one down for you. First, the session name. This is just what you want to call your contact file. It can be anything, your business name, a campaign name, whatever makes sense to you. Next is the target people count. This is where you set how many contacts you want to collect in this session. Think of it as your goal number. After that is the duration, the number of days you want this session to remain active. Once the duration expires, the session closes. Then there's an optional WhatsApp link. If you have a WhatsApp group or community, you can paste the link here. When someone uploads their contact info through your session link, they'll automatically be redirected to your WhatsApp group. That's a powerful feature right there. Next is an optional prefix, and emojis are actually recommended here. The prefix gets added to the beginning of every contact name in the file, so it helps you instantly identify where those contacts came from. Very useful when you're managing multiple sessions. And finally, there's an optional target country setting. If you only want contacts from a specific country, say only Nigerian numbers, you can set that here. If you don't have a preference, just leave it on any country and the session will accept numbers from anywhere. Once you've filled in all the details that apply to you, go ahead and click Create Session. And just like that, your VCF session is live. As soon as the session is created, you'll see that a unique link has been generated for it. This is the link you'll share with people. Copy it and send it to anyone you want to have in your contact file. Share it on WhatsApp, post it in groups, put it in your bio, wherever your audience is. When people click the link, They'll be taken to an upload page where they can submit their contact information and become part of your VCF file. Let's take a quick look at what that experience looks like from the other person's perspective. When someone opens your session link, they'll land on an upload page. At the top, they'll see the name of your session and the prefix you set. They'll also see a live update showing how many people have already joined, which creates a nice sense of community and social proof. To upload their info, all they need to do is enter their name and optionally their email and phone number. Then click Upload. It's quick, it's simple, and if you set a WhatsApp redirect link, they'll be taken straight to your group immediately after. Seamless experience for everyone. Back on the dashboard, the next menu to explore is Manage VCF Sessions. This is where all your created sessions live. From here, you can edit a session if you need to make changes, delete one you no longer need, view it to check on its progress, or download the final VCF file when you're ready to export your contacts. The VCF format is universally compatible, so you can import those contacts into your phone or WhatsApp with no issues. There's also a menu called See More VCF, and this one is interesting. Here you can browse contact sessions created by other users on the platform. You can scroll through, upload your own contacts to any session you find relevant, and you can even download other people's VCF files if your account allows it. It's a great way to grow your reach beyond just your own audience. Now, speaking of account capabilities, let's talk about the upgrade plan option. The free account is a great starting point, but if you want to unlock the full power of ViewsBooster, going premium is absolutely worth it. And honestly, it costs less than $1 a month. That's less than a bottle of water in most places. With a premium account, you can create unlimited sessions. Your contact info is automatically included in every session created on the platform. And you can download anyone's VCF file, features that aren't available on the free plan. To upgrade, choose your preferred payment method, either manual or Salar. Complete the payment, take a screenshot of your receipt, upload it on the page, and add any optional message if needed. Your payment will be reviewed and approved within minutes, and your account will automatically switch to premium. Quick and easy. Let's wrap up with the remaining features. Your profile section lets you update your phone number or change your password anytime. If you forget your password, you can request a reset and a recovery message will be sent to your registered email. The notification bell is where you'll receive any important messages or announcements from the ViewsBooster admin, so keep an eye on it. There's also a theme toggle that lets you switch between light mode and dark mode depending on your preference or your environment. And finally, there's a logout icon when you're ready to safely exit your account. And that right there is everything you need to know about ViewsBooster. From creating your first session to collecting contacts and growing your network, it's all built to be simple, effective, and accessible. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.